Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how I customize my mobile pouches. This is the set of coin pouch and mobile pouch that I am using currently. And I have a friend who don't like tassels. So she has asked me to make a coin pouch and a mobile cover without tassels, and she don't want a clasp for mobile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the mobile cover with the flap. So how I customize my mobile covers. To customize mobile covers, what you need is a mobile. This mobile is for the dimensions. Of course, I need 4-ply cotton thread, new favorite pair of scissors, and I am going to pick up a 3mm crochet hook from this new set of hooks gifted to me by my dear friend Suruchi. So 3mm crochet hook and 4-ply cotton yarn, mobile for measurement, pair of scissors for cutting, and one more thing I need is a darning needle. To get started, I will make a moving knot. Start chaining, and what you need to do is check the width of your phone. So let me first make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me see this. So maybe 2 more chains. So 16 and 17. I have made 17 chains, and in the second chain from the hook, in the back bump, I am starting to crochet single crochet. So I will have total 16 single crochets. Now this pouch is very easy. I am going to continue this 16 crochets till the required length. Now what is my required length? This is around 6.5 inches. So 13 inches to cover both the sides, and of course 2 inches to create a flap. So I am going to make 15 inches of this line of single crochet. So 16 single crochet, I will continue till 15 inches. We are done with the required length of the strip, which is 15 inches. Now I will fold the strip and convert it into the mobile cover, and this portion will be my flap. Now I will be putting a button. So what I am going to do is I will add a loop for this button on this side of the belt. So 6 SC, chain 3, and 6 SC is going to be my next line. This will create a loop. Now on that loop again we are going to pull up 3 SCs and total 3 more line of SC on SC, and then we will finish. Chain 1, turn your work, start single crochet. So 6 single crochets till we reach the loop. We had left 3 spaces for making the loop, so I am going to pull up 3 SCs in the loop. 1, 2 and 3, and again I'll come till end by doing 6 SCs. So see, loop is created. Just check whether your button is passing through it or not. Right now it's making a little tough, but eventually when my friend will start using this mobile pouch, with use this will become easy loop. Now I will do 2 more lines of SC on SC and my making part is over. I just have to stitch the sides to convert it into the pouch. So chain 1, turn my work, SC on SC, it's just 15 SCs, very simple project this is. Chain 1, turn your work, SC on SC, and this will be my last line. Last loop, pull up the loop, cut the yarn, finishing part I'll do a bit later. Let me show you how I convert this into the pouch. So this size is perfect. Now I need to finish the sides. So make a moving knot. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am going to insert the hook in the 8th loop from the hook, or 8th loop on the strip. Always first stitch with the shorter tail, and I will weave in this end while working itself. I am going to do the line of SC, see this. This is how I will join the strip and it will start creating the pouch. First making a strip, then folding it at the desired length and then sewing the sides. Very simple project to make, and you can customize in color you want. Single crochet is the basic stitch, so if you know single crochet you can definitely make this pouch for yourself. If you look at the ends, I have left little longer tails. That helps me to weave in the ends. So I am going to continue till here, and of course from this side till here. After weaving in the thread, I will attach the button and my mobile pouch is ready. I encourage people to learn the art. You should start designing your own gifts. It's very satisfying to give your friends handmade, handcrafted gift. Trust me, they treasure it for a longer time. Few stitches forward, then a back loop, few stitches forward, then a back loop is the standard way of weaving in the threads, because then this back loop kind of locks your thread. See, we finished work here and I have weaved in ends till here. I'm very sure it will not come out. Now fold it and the button needs to be here. Now this being a mobile cover, I'm not taking the knot inside. I'm putting it outside so that it can hide under the button. 3 loops horizontal and 3 loops vertical should be fine to hold the button. Don't make it too bulky, otherwise the person using this might find it very difficult to handle. This is the third and the last loop, and I just need to do one final knot. So completed 3 loops. Now look at this. I am not putting any knot here. I am just weaving in ends, and eventually I'll come out on the other side. Now here I will put the knot because it will not disturb the mobile. I have marked the knot, but again I am going to weave in the ends very long. So few loops ahead, one back loop, again few loops ahead, again a back loop, again few loops ahead, and then cut the thread, and your mobile pouch is ready. This will be a little loose once somebody starts using it, and my coin pouch is also ready. So this is my set, and this is my friend's set. Just tell me, how do you like it? Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot, and thank you very much for watching this video.